This is a repair video of my moist air humidifier by Ericsson of the valve in the bottle cap. This is how I'm going to repair it. See my bottle cap here. There's a thing that this piece right here broke out and my valve fell completely apart here and it come right out. So how we repaired it to replace this part here that fell out, that broke apart, we made it part with a washer to replace that. Here's what the washer looked like before. I ground the diameter down of the washer so it would fit inside this large diameter right here. So, and then I had to grind flat on either side of that washer, and that's so when my valves is working, I have a spot for the water to pass through. So now we got to go ahead and assemble our new part. First, that we pulled that valve apart, and here's the valve stem. We're going to put it right inside there, and then we're going to push it through and put this rubber seal back on the opposite side. Now here we go. We're going to do this like so, and now I push this on here. As you can see, now my valve is in perfectly working order. So the spring pressure helps hold it together and also makes my valve work up and down. So when it's down, like in this position, it's sealed, and when it goes down inside the humidifier, there's a stem down in there that pushes up on my valve stem and lets the water go. So now we're ready to put it back on my humidifier water bottle. We just screw that on just until it gets snug. And see, we just go like this, and we tip our bottle up and it's sealed. Don't worry, it could drip a little bit. And if we push down on that, it will let the water out. So I will try to show you that. See, if we push like that, and you can see it's letting my water run out into my sink. So this is just trying to show you that you can repair these valves without having to buy a new one or waiting for one to be shipped to you. Thank you very much.